Everyone thinks the best-selling brake pads for RV towing are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Scotchin Pro Lube Plate. First up, we have the Scotchin Pro 5th Wheel Lube Plate. Priced at just $12.99, this product caught my attention for its simplicity and easy installation. If you want to keep your towing experience grease-free, this is worth a serious look. This lube plate eliminates the messy petroleum grease that can stain your truck and hands. It's made from high-density polyethylene, which means it's built to last, holding up to 5,000 miles of towing without falling apart. It fits most fifth-wheel hitches snugly, providing a smooth ride and reducing annoying squeaks. With a solid 4.8-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, it's clear that many RVers appreciate this handy tool. Now, some users mentioned that they wished it had a longer lifespan and needed replacing more often than expected. Here's the thing though, every 6 to 24 months isn't outrageous given how much grease can ruin your gear if you don't keep things tidy. Plus, it's a small price to pay for cleanliness and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend camper or a full-time RVer who values a clean and efficient setup. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional methods of lubrication or if you're not using a fifth wheel. Now, if the need for clean installation bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for more heavy-duty braking needs. Product number 2, PowerStop Z36 Rear Brake Pads. Next up is the PowerStop Z36 rear brake pads, designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2012 to 2020. Priced at $50.88, this set stood out to me for its carbon fiber ceramic construction. If you want upgraded stopping power while towing, these are definitely worth considering. They're designed to handle the stress of towing and mountainous driving, so you can trust them to perform under pressure. With a 4.7-star rating and over 750 reviews, users rave about their quiet operation and durability, making them a solid investment for any truck owner. However, a few customers noted that installation can be a bit tricky for novices. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you might want to have a professional install them. But for those who have a bit of mechanical know-how, it's a manageable task that pays off in performance. This is perfect for you if you frequently tow heavy loads with your F-150. Skip this one if you have a different vehicle or if you're looking for a budget option. They provide great value for the power they offer. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you're looking for something tailored for a different brand, let's check out the next one. Product number 3, PowerStop Z36 Rear Brake Pads for Cadillac. Now let's talk about the PowerStop Z36 rear brake pads for Cadillac Escalade models from 2015 to 2020. At $49.78, this product offers similar features to the previous PowerStop pads but is tailored specifically for Cadillacs. If you want a reliable upgrade for your luxurious ride while towing, this is worth your attention. Like its predecessor, these pads feature carbon fiber ceramic construction, providing excellent stopping power that can handle the added stress of towing. They have a quiet operation, which is particularly nice for those long drives. With a 4.7-star rating from over 600 reviews, many users love how easy it is to swap them out, thanks to the included installation hardware. The downside, some users reported that these pads tend to produce a bit more dust than expected. Here's my take, while dust can be annoying, it's usually a trade-off for performance, and regular cleaning should keep your wheels looking decent. This is perfect for you if you own a Cadillac Escalade and often tow trailers. Skip this one if you're looking for something for a different vehicle, as the fitment is specific. You definitely get your money's worth with these pads. Now, if you're seeking something for heavy-duty use, stick around for the next product on our list. Product number 4, Bendix Fleet Metlock MKD 825 FM. Coming in hot is the Bendix Fleet Metlock MKD 825 FM semi-metallic front brake pads, priced at $54.78. This product caught my eye for its heavy-duty design, perfect for larger trucks. If you need exceptional braking performance under tough conditions, you should definitely consider this. With a 4.6-star rating and 1,700 reviews, they have a proven track record of reliability, which is crucial for heavy towing scenarios. A few users mentioned issues with noise during braking. Here's the thing, semi-metallic pads do tend to produce more noise than ceramic options, but they often provide better stopping power. For heavy-duty applications, that trade-off is usually justified. Skip this one if you're looking for a quieter, everyday driving experience. They offer solid value for a semi-metallic brake pad. Now, if you want to stick with Bendix but need something slightly different, let's take a look at the next option. Product number 5. Bendix Fleet Metlock MKD 827 FM. Finally, we have the Bendix Fleet Metlock MKD 827 FM front brake pads, priced at $41.33. These pads are another excellent option for those who need reliable performance. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality, this is a solid choice. They have a similar OE replacement design, ensuring they fit like a glove. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,700 reviews, they've gained a solid reputation among drivers who prioritize performance. One downside I found is that some users reported they wear out quicker than expected. Here's my perspective. If you're towing frequently, that's not uncommon for any pad, so consider these as a good option for regular use without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable brake pad that won't empty your wallet. Skip this one if you're looking for the longest-lasting option, as you might want to invest in something pricier for less frequent replacements. The value for money here is pretty impressive. So there you have it. We covered the Scotchin Pro Lube Plate, PowerStop Z36 rear brake pads for Ford, PowerStop Z36 for Cadillac, and the Bendix Fleet Metlock options. Each brings something unique to the table, whether you need clean installation, heavy-duty performance, or just great value for money. Whatever your towing needs, there's definitely a brake pad here for you.